Setting up your HP printer doesn't always require downloading an app or extra software. If you'd rather skip the install and connect directly through your printer's own control panel, you're in the right place. In this guide, we'll walk you through the WPS button method to get your HP printer connected over your Wi-Fi network. Pick whichever method works best for your printer and router. You'll be up and running in just a few minutes. If you need assistance along the way, just call the numbers on your screen. Otherwise, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Make sure your printer actually supports WPS push button mode. You can check your printer's or control panel to confirm it has this feature. Next, verify your Wi-Fi router has a WPS push button. Most modern routers have one, but it's good to check before you start. If your printer doesn't have a physical WPS push button, don't worry. Open the settings on your printer's control panel, follow the menu options instead. If you have a WPS push button, you can skip ahead to step 8. Go to your printer's menu and select Network Setup. Now, open Wireless Settings from the menu options. Select Wi-Fi Protected Setup from the available options. Choose the push button option to activate WPS mode. Tap on the Start button to begin the connection process. Press and hold the Wi-Fi button on your printer for about 3 seconds. Your printer is now in Wi-Fi discovery mode. You'll be asked to press and hold the WPS button for 3 to 5 seconds within 2 minutes. This initiates the pairing process between your printer and router. Wait for the printer to connect. You'll know it's successful when the Wi-Fi icon stops blinking or you see a connected message appear on your printer's display. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.